एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन फॉर क्लास 10th इंग्लिश फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फिट बुक से चैप्टर 7 द नेकलेस क्लास 10th। आइए दोस्तों देख लेते हैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर। इसमें हमें किस प्रकार से क्या क्या करना है। इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन इज मैम लोजेल, व्हाई इज सी ऑलवेज अनहैप्पी। इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, सभी स्टूडेंट्स ध्यान दें। ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न है, बार बार ये बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा जाता है। तो इसका आंसर आपको इस प्रकार से लिखना है। मैम लोजेल वॉज अ प्रेटी यंग लेडी बोर्न इन अ फैमिली ऑफ क्लर्क्स। सी फेल्ट दैट सी वॉज बोर्न फॉर ऑल द डेलिकेसीज एंड लग्जरीज। इंस्टेड सी हैड टू live a simple and economical life. She completely disliked her circumstances. This made her angry and unhappy. सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखिए, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन इज हर हस्बैंड। उसका पति किस प्रकार का व्यक्ति है, इस प्रश्न का उत्तर देख लेते हैं। हर हस्बैंड वाज अ क्लर्क इन द ऑफिस ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन। अनलाइक मैम लोजेल, ही वाज content with his life. While Mam Lozel used to suffer thinking about luxuries and delicacies, he could derive great sense of satisfaction even from a humble pot pie. He was also a loving husband, as is seen from his behavior towards his wife. He readily parted with the 400 francs that he had saved to buy a gun so that Mam Lozel would be able to wear a nice dress to the minister's ball. This shows that his wife's happiness was more important to him. Now see question third. What fresh problem now disturb Mam Lozel? अब कौन सी ताजी समस्या मैम लोजल को परेशान करती है, इसका आंसर इस प्रकार से लिखिए। After buying a pretty dress, Mam Lozel was bothered by yet another problem. She had no jewel to adorn herself with. She said she would have a poverty-stricken look. Her husband suggested that she should wear some natural flowers. However, she refused and said that there was nothing more humiliating than to have a shabby air in the midst of rich women. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, हाउ इज द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व्ड। समस्या का समाधान कैसे हुआ, इसका आंसर देख लेते हैं। मैम लोजेल्स हस्बैंड सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम। ही टोल्ड हिज वाइफ टू रिक्वेस्ट हर फ्रेंड मैम फॉरेस्टर टू लैंड हर सम ज्वेल। व्हेन शी वेंट टू मैम फॉरेस्टर, द लेटर ब्रॉट अ ज्वेल केस so that Mam Lozel could choose whichever jewel she liked. Question 5. What do Mr. and Mam Lozel do next? आगे मिस्टर और मिसेस लोजेल ने क्या किया, इसका आंसर इस प्रकार से लिखेंगे। When Mr. and Mam Lozel realized that the necklace was missing, they tried finding out where she could have lost it. They concluded that it could have been dropped in the cab. They did not know its number, therefore Lozel went out the track where they had walked. When he found nothing, he went to the police and to the cab office. He even put an advertisement in the newspaper offering a reward. He then asked Matilda to write a letter to Mam Forrester explaining that she had broken the clasp of the necklace and would get it repaired. This gave them time to find the necklace. However, they eventually decided to replace the necklace with a new one. Now see question number 6. How do they replace the necklace? उन्होंने नेकलेस को कैसे बदला, इसका आंसर इस प्रकार लिखेंगे। Lozel asked Matilda to write a letter to Mam Forrester explaining that she had broken the clasp of the necklace and would get it repaired. They found a chaplet of diamonds in a shop of the Palace Royal. This necklace seemed to be exactly like the one that had been lost. They could buy it for 36,000 francs. Lozel had 18,000 francs which his father had left him. He borrowed the rest from various sources. Finally, he bought the necklace and gave it to Matilda for her to take it back to मैम फॉरेस्टर. चलिए थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, इसका हम सोल्यूशन देख लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन 1, द कोर्स ऑफ द लोजल लाइफ चेंज ड्यू टू द नेकलेस कमेंट. तो ये जो नेकलेस था ये अगर खो गया तो इसने उसके पूरे जीवन को बदल दिया. किस प्रकार बदल दिया, इस पर कमेंट करने हैं. तो इसका आंसर इस प्रकार से लिख सकते हैं. द कोर्स ऑफ द लोजल लाइफ चेंज ड्यू टू द नेकलेस आफ्टर रिप्लेसिंग द लॉस्ट नेकलेस विद अ न्यू वन. दे हैड टू repay all the money and that they had borrowed to buy the new necklace. They sent away the maid and changed their lodgings. They rented some rooms in an attic. Matilda learned the odious work of a kitchen. She washed the dishes, soiled linen, their clothes and disclothes. She took down the refuse to the street each morning and brought up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath. She went to the grocers, the butchers and the fruiters with her basket on her arm, shopping, haggling to save her money. Loisel worked in the evenings, putting the books of some merchants in order. At night he did copying at 5 a page. This lasted for 10 years, and at the end of the said period, they were able to repay their lenders. Now see question 2. What was the case of Matilda's ruin? Matilda के जीवन में आपत्ति या विपत्ति कैसे आई? How could she have avoided it? उसने किस प्रकार से इससे बचाव किया? Answer: The cause of Matilda's ruin was her dissatisfaction with whatever life offered her. She was always unhappy. She felt that she was born for all the delicacies and luxuries. She disliked her circumstances. She could have avoided the ruin by being content with what she had. Now question 3. What would have happened to Matilda if she had confessed to her friend that she had lost her necklace? यदि वह अपनी सहेली से कन्फेस कर लेती या उसको बता देती कि उसका नेकलेस खो गया है, तो फिर उसके जीवन में क्या हुआ होता? तो इसका आंसर हम इस प्रकार से लिख सकते हैं. If Matilda would have confessed to her friend that she had lost her necklace, she might have been in lesser trouble than what she faced after having replaced the necklace. Her friend would definitely have been angry with her. Most probably, she would have asked Matilda to replace it. She would have given her the details from where she had brought the necklace and how much it had cost her. Matilda would thus have known that the jewels in the necklace were not real diamonds. It would have cost her a far lesser amount to replace it. Matilda would thus have saved herself and her husband all the trouble they went through. Question 4. If you were caught in a situation like this, यदि आप ऐसी किसी स्थिति में पड़ जाएं, how would you have deal with it? आप इसमें कैसे डील करेंगे? आप इसको मतलब कैसे इस मुसीबत से बचेंगे? तो इसमें आंसर है, This questions requires you to use your own perspective as well as your analytical skills. The answer to the question would vary from one person to another. It is suggested that you read the text carefully and try attempting it on your own. तो ये प्रश्न आपको स्वयं करना है. ये आपके स्किल पर डिपेंड करता है कि आप ऐसी स्थिति में पड़ जाएंगे तो आप कैसे बचेंगे. ठीक है, इसमें प्रत्येक व्यक्ति की अलग राय हो सकती है, अलग अलग सुझाव हो सकते हैं, तो इसलिए इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर यहाँ पर नहीं बताया जा रहा है. ठीक है, तो दोस्तों यही थे क्वेश्चन आंसर इस वाले चैप्टर के. वीडियो कैसा लगा? वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए, और फिर मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में फिर अगले सॉल्यूशन के साथ. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच.